YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Karcher K5 pressure washer not turning on. So guys, if you're facing this issue, here are the few steps that you can follow to resolve it. So guys, step 1 is just to ensure that the pressure washer is unplugged from the electrical outlet to avoid any risk. This is the safety measure. Okay, now we will check it. The water supply. Okay, confirm the water supply is connected properly and that the tap is fully open. Okay, and the lack of water supply can prevent the pressure washer from starting. And then disconnect the high pressure hose from the pressure washer to eliminate any potential blockages. Okay, because blockages prevent the affecting water flow. And then guys, we will bleed the system. Attach a garden hose to the pressure washer using a free flow connector and then turn on the tap. Let the water run through the machine for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, because this will help to clear any air trapped in the system. After this process, reconnect the high pressure hose securely. Now we will check for the air locks. Press and hold the trigger on the gun to release any remaining air in the system while reconnecting the power. Okay, this will allow the water to flow through and may help activate the pump. Plug in the pressure washer, turn it on using the on and off dial. If it still does not start, proceed to the further checks. Now guys, inspect your electrical components. Just inspect the power cord for any visible damage or wear. Ensure that it is securely connected to both the outlet and the pressure washer. If your unit has ground fault circuit interrupter, press the reset button to ensure it is functioning properly. And now we will examine the internal components. Okay, so first of all we will remove housing. Carefully disassemble the outer case of your Kärcher K5 to access internal components. Make sure you keep track of screws and parts during assembly. And then guys, we will inspect the pressure switch. The pressure switch could be faulty or stuck. Check for any visible damage or obstruction that might prevent it from functioning correctly. And now we will look for the blockages. Check for blockages into the water inlet filter and clean it if it necessary. A dirty filter can restrict water flow, preventing the operation. And the last step for us, if none of the above worked, is just to contact the Karcher customer service. Okay, they will help us to get the solution to our model of the. So this is the official web page. You can just go on it. This is their contact details. This is their telephone number. So just contact them in their working hours. Provide your model details, your model number, and they will help you. So guys, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.